Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change language of this device. Firstly, open Settings application, then scroll down and find here additional settings, click on it, then choose Languages and Input, choose Languages, and here you can change the language. I have Chinese operation system, Chinese version of the MIUI, and I have no any languages. I have only English and Chinese, Arabian, I don't know what's the language. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.